Hi, my name is Brennan Cruz, and I wanted to expand my Gore sound library. For recording, I started with a bell pepper for more hollow snaps and pops, a cabbage for smaller and higher pitched snaps and pops, celery for a harder, much more solid snap, and as you saw earlier, I used a grapefruit along with some makeshift slime for any mushy, wet, fleshy sounds. Before going through recorded material, I marked up the redesign video and added markers, axe sounds, and impact points. Then, I went through the material and found snippets to layer. I stuck to using an EQ, pitch shifting, some reverb, and a granulator to maintain the integrity of the recorded material. And last, I went back to clean up the axe sounds and add ambience to fill out the scene. Here's what I ended up with. Thanks for watching, and thanks for listening.